I'm Tanner, and as I mentioned before in my previous speech, I work in the medical field, and one of the first things that they teach you when you enter nursing school is proper hand hygiene. As easy as that may seem, a lot of people don't know how to correctly do that. Hand hygiene is not only important for those who are in healthcare, those who are healthcare employees, but it's applicable to everyone in society because germs are everywhere. So in this speech, I want to teach you why hand washing is important. I want to tell you how to properly wash your hands, and also I want to explain how hand washing stops disease. So why is hand hygiene important? As most of us know, microorganisms are the causative agents for sickness and illness. And these microbacteria, we expose our hands to them more than any other body part. So once you get them on your hands, you touch your eyes, nose, mouth, food, and that's how it finds a way into your body. According to Leamy, who wrote an article for ABC News, washing your hands for only 20 seconds can help prevent over 200 different diseases. And also only 2/3 of people even wash their hands after going to the bathroom. So I don't like those odds. Dr. William Sawyer tells us that the most common germs on your hands are Haemophilus and E. coli, which are responsible for pink eye. Bacteroids will cause an ear infection. Streptococcus will cause strep throat, and Staphylococcus is responsible for zits and even boils. So how do you properly wash your hands? According to the Mayo Clinic, an adult health article called Hand Washing Do's and Don'ts has the following steps. First, you want to wet your hands with either warm or cold water. It doesn't really matter. Just anything to help rub in the soap. And once you get the soap on, you want to lather your hands and scrub pretty vigorously for about 20 seconds, or you can sing the happy birthday song in your head twice. That'll help you kind of keep on track. And once you rinse your hands, what's really important is to remember not to touch the handle with your bare hands, now that they're clean. You need to use the paper towel you dried your hands off with, or use your elbow. Otherwise, that's counterproductive. So how does hand hygiene stop you from getting sick, or somebody else sick passing it on as if you were a healthcare employee? The CDC has it calls it the chain of infection, and it has 5 links. The first link in this chain of infection is a infectious agent, so that's your microorganism, or virus. So that's viruses, bacteria, anything like that. And you have to have a reservoir. That's the second link. A reservoir can be anything from a doorknob, phone screen, countertop to a human. Anything that holds the microbacteria, anywhere that they can sit, that's a reservoir. Then the next link is transmission. So that's the act of the microorganism going from the reservoir to a new host. So that's it going from a gas station doorknob to you. What it needs now, the next link, is a portal of entry. So that's like, as I was talking about earlier, your eyes, nose, mouth, anyway, or a cut, any way it can get into your body. That's your portal of entry. And the last link is a susceptible host. To get infected, the host's immune system has to be inadequate to fight off that infection. So hopefully at this point, now you understand why hand washing is important, how to properly wash your hands, and also you understand how hand washing prevents the spread of infection. I'll attach in the discussion board, I'll attach a visual aid that shows you the problem areas when you wash your hands, the spots people most commonly miss. It's in between your fingers and under your fingernails. And also I'll attach a diagram of the chain of infection to kind of help you better visualize that. Thank you.